Now look at this phone. We get to refurbish it again. Welcome back, and let's just dive right in anyway. First things first, remove the back cover. Oh, this is actually jackets and back cover. Does it have battery? It's charged.
Pastor Semper.
I'm not sure.
That's what
Yeah,
when I say does it have battery, I mean it's charged. All right, so we are here, and let's get at it. We need to open these screws and get right inside. Over where's my screwdriver? Yeah, the set is here.
Peter,
Yeah?
you want the screen replaced?
Yeah, screen.
You have the screen. You have its screen ready.
Just to know.
It's set.
You knew even the type of phone. and stuff.
Very set man.
I'm set. So feel free. Your iPhone also will be set.
Pro bono now, I guess.
This is Pop F3.
Yeah.
Pop 1 F3.
That is Tecno.
Mm.
Isn't this lighter?
Yeah. But for now, it's a toy.
Hey, it works. Those are bloods.
That's not what a lighter is for.
Yeah.
That's not what a lighter is for.
Brave. Like, you have to have bloods. They're called.
I don't have. I don't have.
Cigarettes.
Health
Cigars.
cigarettes.
The
Maybe
cigars
vapes.
are good.
They're healthy?
Huh?
They're healthy?
The hell do you mean health?
Like, I mean,
Cigarette.
yeah, cigar. Like, I mean,
I don't think they are.
The green cigarettes.
You know.
the green, but the green what?
Let me tell you,
Cigarettes. Yeah.
money can make people declare things safe. You'll be there.
This thing has what? It's benzene, right? It's benzene.
Could even be propane.
Sounds
It's
like
just
a song
liquefied
I like.
gas. Okay, so now we get to remove the back. Oh, there's one screw remaining. Let's get rid of this. And that's out.
Bro,
Okay.
I don't move.
Now
Look at here, madman.
get to open this.
What are you picturing? In your head?
Huh?
What are you picturing?
No,
like,
like-
to come close and then. No, actually, you're supposed to move with the camera. The person holding you is supposed to come close to you and then. As you come close to it, to create that effect.
Magnify.
Abby. A
Chick.
very mad woman.
Can force you to do shit, eh? Okay, Edman,
Okay,
you don't
so
have bloods?
so I need to get underneath this.
Yeah?
What's blood?
Come on.
Let's tell me what's
Come on,
blood.
come on.
I don't know. I don't know.
With all this hair.
In
what
this
is
world,
that
we
in
still
you?
have innocent people. I don't know what that is.
Come on, Rasta man.
Okay.
I mean, like the holy herb.
Who's the Rasta man?
Holy herb.
Having much
How
hair
about
doesn't make you a
no
Rasta.
more, just
Okay.
cigarettes. You don't have them?
Don't know why this had to go underneath. No more.
Cigarettes.
What's wrong with you?
So cold day, man.
You should be asking for coffee or tea, as
What,
the English do. As for tea. So now I'm going to apply heat on the surface to allow me rip off that screen.
Like highways.
All right.
It's not much.
Mm.
Just master a highway
Yeah.
and
Like-
wait for those gigs.
Do masters in highway
No, like
or master
master like
highways in Civil 3D.
Super 3D and probably some other software.
Okay. Aye.
Then, yeah, I think these guys just hit you up.
Yeah, just be.
Just
Okay.
work from your place.
Yeah,
Deliver the work to them.
in code. You see? Now I think I can think of Civil.
You can now koto. She has one who took these pics.
Yeah. A few are well composed, a few.
So you didn't take any pic of mine.
Oh, yours? Didn't I send you?
Nah.
Oh, when you're just about your stuff, eh? I'll start stalking you, don't worry.
Aye.
Then I take some nice pics of you. You know those unaware photos? I don't know, they come natural.
Unaware, when you are not forcing things.
Wow.
And when you pause, you'll be like, eh. Okay.
What? It's hectic.
Right. I know. Any software, I see my ARC friends doing the models, the designs. Layer per layer, step by step.
You go to
And you're like,
hatch
yeah.
the road, now you have to hatch the road.
But when you see the final product, you may be like, no, don't say there. But when you be there when he's doing it, you're like, I think I've paid this guy a little money.
Yes, be there, man. Yeah,
It will just quantify it in terms of time. At times I feel like,
but man, Zephyr is chill. There's no much. There's no struggle, man.
eh?
No struggle, eh? Just put
Kawa.
yourself there, yeah.
I know some boy of mine. He's positioned himself as a structures guy. Began with some car house. Umar is the one who amuses me.
Omar,
Yeah,
it's
there's a time he was a supervisor. So you look at the man and you're like, this guy has all the reason to castigate me.
When did you graduate?
Last year.
I know. You might be working with one of your classmates. With your classmates.
Yeah, it's possible.
Yeah.
But don't mention me.
No, of course I can mention you.
2016.
Yeah. You is some chick called Brenda. Said there's might know who.
We'll try to mention them, maybe.
What's his name?
They also cut class.
Donati. It's called who?
You're now talking of this
no,
guy.
No, there is some guy called Dean.
Dean. Fat with glasses. I don't know
No,
how to.
there's another. I think there's another fat Dean and there's this small Dean. There, I think UB has two Deans. It's a small one. You guys have a class group thing.
I'm not in it.
You're not in it. Eh?
But if I were to be in it, I would have been in it with AfriCell, and I no longer have the AfriCell number because that was my main number back then. Orange, not even AfriCell. Yeah, it should ask to be added again, I guess. Where we'll find the admin.
Well, Dean. But Dean hasn't really changed that much. So if you still remember him, then I know what he is smiling. Let me see his status. Let me see his status.
What if I know him more while smiling? Okay, so now I need to test this.
Dean.
Alright, plug that in.
Dean Commander. Here.
I know, it wasn't in my.
Well,
First bring the one of Brenda, maybe.
Brenda is fat now.
Because I hear about it, but then I have enough shares usually. You may think.
It's here. But you can't tell from this photo now. This is an edited photo.
She wasn't in Naya.
Yeah. I think
Even if someone has changed, at least there is.
Yeah, I remember. Okay.
Maybe she was the year below or
Yeah,
ahead.
Because she said they started working at Should Be in 2016.
2016. Maybe she was out for some time already. Before grad. Before grad. But then that means she was a year behind us.
A year ahead of you.
Behind. Because if 2016 before grad.
Because if you graduated in 2016, then this boy should be graduating in 2017.
Okay. It lights up. So the screen is okay.
Yeah, it's possible. It's possible actually. I think after her last paper, she joined.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then
It's
grad is
possible.
2017.
17. So yeah. And you see, since normally they are lecturers and already they know you core, you don't need to over talk about your papers. Like, you come and we work if you're willing to learn more. Tecno Pop 1 FCW.
Yeah, she registered in 2022.
Yeah, but come to think of it, when you're registering in highways, how long, how do you write those projects? Because I'm sure it's very hard for you to be involved in the entire project from beginning to end.
Yeah? You of course you get involved. You get involved in projects.
At least you are Piako.
Like you
just get involved.
Participate in the design. Participate in the design.
Participating.
Yes, you do. But it's actually the young team that actually does the design, because that shit is hectic.
I know.
This guy is what's the word? Review,
see.
Correct here. Yeah, that's what they do. But it's us that do the designs. It's very hectic, basically. So you know how to design, you know. So you're on that project, like you're on the design team.
Okay.
Like on the design team. So your name, so you can have a number of projects that you worked on.
At different
but
stages.
This one project that you used to register.
So we need to clean the surfaces that we are going to bond together, first by scraping off any excess residue adhesive from around the frame of the phone. I'm just using brute means right here, and after that we apply glue on both surfaces and bring them together. Hey, boy, that stuff can happen.
Wow.
KB is funny.
Wow. What kid? Man, I forgot to call you. Where are you? What? Yeah, man. Because man, it's tight. Because I work from 8, like at office, from 8 to 5. Sometimes work is a lot, and I have to keep at office. If I actually have to meet them late in the evening.
How far?
About 15 minutes away.
You're
You man.
No,
With a degree, you know how
just
hard it was
putting
to get a degree. You want me to? Hey, you man. Hey. Hey. Yeah, man.
Okay, let's give it some 5 minutes to evaporate a bit and come and bond them. Alright, so we've gained some strength. Now I can peel this off such that we bring the two together. This is just to protect it while it's on shelf, and that's go out. So we do that and bring that in, and then we now bring the touch layer. Okay.
but not food.
Right.
I normally just buy snacks
Now.
supermarket.
You're doing the healthy living thing.
Not healthy living, and I just get bored.
That's living terribly. It's a terrible way to live.
It's like when I saw the Americans eating, they keep.
You be food, You know, it's the only time I'm actually eating healthy food.
Man.
But it's actually,
I get tired a lot of vegan food. That's
no, but you be food is actually just it's enough. You can come back. And
yeah, it's actually very
You guys are catered for.
At office, you guys have lunch.
Hey, that's fine.
Lunch, breakfast.
So you really can't step out in Busijui lunch break.
You can step out.
Let me get let me just get the phone.
Okay.
Yeah, you can jump out, but
it may not be necessary.
But people are self-driven. But
Oh,
you have your load of work.
I know. So even if you wanted to,
You get it.
now Chimanye, we engineers, We really do heavy lifting. You see how guys be like, office job, I just be swinging on the chair. If you're checking my Facebook here and there. Now here you're on a CAD program. See what
The only time
3D.
you chill is because you want to relax. It's too much. Fatigue is too much. But people are self-driven, eh?
Yeah.
People are self-driven. You find people going there on Sunday, on a Sunday.
Because it feels bad being asked for work and you don't have it.
Guy goes on a Sunday. Eh? So I think earlier the system was very, very free and people knew what they wanted. But they want to be tied of late. Eh?
What's the reason?
HR.
What's the reason?
I don't know. Man.
The thing they will squeeze more work out of you?
Kadu wants to reduce his load. Eh?
So once offset it to someone to oversee.
Director, yeah?
So,
technical director.
oh.
So he was probably man who was doing a lot, recruiting staff, like a lot. So he tried to reduce his budget. Eh?
So they are preparing for retirement.
Yeah, man.
So the company can still go on. I know.
And I think the
But Kadu has refused to add to PhD. Why?
I don't know.
But anyway, at times you look at
stressful.
and that time when some gear is giving you headache. They also fear to take us through the thing we go through.
For contracts. Now PhD here.
Even for prestige, you be like,
prestige, like Omar.
But still, you be like, nah. With my masters, I'm doing work.
He's doing well. He's doing well.
I remember when Apollo told us,
of your own, man, raising a baby.
Yes,
a baby, like,
you have to be there,
you're not
dedicated.
comfortable. You're at your home, but no, man. What's happening, man? Where are the jobs?
Who persuaded him to get an HR?
I don't know. So the HR came recently, and recently he actually got himself a personal what?
Assistant.
A personal assistant, a personal secretary.
That's how they call him.
Personal assistant. He was hardcore. He didn't need concern about everyone.
What is everyone doing?
Or as I says from the field, he has nothing he's doing. There's this project, put him there. Of course, your web supervisor is there. What's this guy doing? This project is coming. Let him work here. He knows what guys are doing. He knows the projects you're working on.
I think that's the attitude, and it becomes no surprise when your company succeeds.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the number of people. Eh?
Yeah, but Umar doesn't know anyone.
Umar is in his world.
Just there, I think. Just
Umar is in his world.
Just there for that, eh?
But you look at him and you're like, as a man who is now supposed to be in that stress-free place now. Okay, so let's close this up and bundle it together. I think maybe the only thing that... So I have tied it like this and I'm going to dry it.